Well, according to my reliable sources, mga ex na that side chick has always been there, like decades na, nakailang girlfriends na si Derek, nandyan siya. So, friends daw, friends. Ako pa yung bliname ng mga netizens nung last real girlfriend ni Derek na ako daw yung third party, but no, it's not me. It could be her because hello, tagal na silang friends, right? And meron parang something side chick pala nito dati pa. So yeah, but I guess side chicks will always be side chicks. They'll never get chosen. You can just bitch about it, but I wouldn't be surprised if nandyan siya ngayon.